Drum major, you have 1 minute for warm-up. Are the judges ready? Drum majors, is your band ready? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Suwannee High School Sound of the Suwannee Band.
Yay.
The composer's death was very suspicious, and so the inspector was called in to find the murderer and haul him off to jail. I will find them if they are lurking in the woodwinds. I will find them if they are lurking in the brass. I will find them if they are lurking in the percussion section. Perhaps the murderer is lurking in the woodwinds. Where were you last night, woodwinds? Speak up! Speak up! We were up in our life before we know nothing, said the woodwinds. Where were you last night, Brass? We were busy performing at the circus all night. Big Bang Theory marathon, but justice must be served. The conductor. You've been murdering composers for years. In fact, wherever there's a conductor, you're sure to find a dead composer. Dead. The conductor didn't work alone. All of them have butchered a composer at one time or another. But they also keep composers alive. Without them, there'd be no composing at all. If you want to hear the work of the great composers, you're going to have to allow for a little murder now and then. The right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give one more hand to the Suwannee High School Sound of Suwannee Band.